Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jump-start a Toyota Highlander. First, prioritize safety by gathering essential gear such as gloves and eye protection. Make sure both vehicles are completely turned off and in park or neutral. Always inspect the battery and cables for any signs of damage before proceeding. This initial check helps prevent potential hazards and ensures a smooth jump-start process. Next, let's connect the jumper cables correctly. First, attach one red positive cable to the positive terminal of your dead Highlander battery. Then, connect the other end of that red cable to the positive terminal of the good battery. Now, take the black negative cable and connect it to the negative terminal of the good battery. Finally, attach the remaining black cable end to an unpainted metal surface on your Highlander's engine block, away from the battery. Once the cables are securely connected, it's time to start the engines. Begin by starting the engine of the vehicle with the good battery. Allow it to run for approximately 5 to 10 minutes. This gives the dead battery a chance to receive some charge. After this brief charging period, try to start your Toyota Highlander's engine. If it doesn't start immediately, wait a few more minutes before trying again. After your Highlander starts, it's crucial to disconnect the cables in the correct order to avoid sparks. First, remove the black negative cable from the Highlander's metal ground point. Next, disconnect the other end of the black negative cable from the good battery. Then, remove the red positive cable from the good battery's positive terminal. Finally, disconnect the remaining red positive cable from your Highlander's positive terminal. Drive your Highlander for at least 20 minutes to fully recharge the battery.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.